So here's the time clock, and just firing in new data into it. Right now it's set to actually show the data that it's actually drawing on the screen, but these can be turned off so it's instantaneous. But to just give an idea, each is a 16 segment LED, and they're all individually driven. And so in this case, it's actually being run by the Arduino, or not an Arduino, but an Atmel CPU, and using a USB interface. So as you can see, there's our input for USB, and then I can use the Arduino just to upload new code to the AVR.